and certainly something you'll want to watch out for. Now, it's around thunderstorms that we often get some gusty winds over land, but for the most part, winds are actually fairly light at the moment, so out over sea it's not too bad. Visibility, I should think, pretty good in the water through this afternoon. But the thunderstorms are the big story, set off across central and eastern parts of Wales, and then particularly through the Midlands. There'll be some huge downpours up into the northeast of England and many parts of eastern Scotland. So that's to come this afternoon. There's a possibility of some localised flooding in places, some big hailstones as well as that thunder and lightning. So not too pleasant really. Either side of that line of thunderstorms though, it's looking much drier. Some brighter weather coming through for the northwest and some glorious blue skies down towards that southeastern corner, and that's where we've still got the very hot weather indicated by those dark oranges. So 32 degrees the high here, but you can see we are starting to see some cooler and fresher weather now moving in towards the north and the west. So the difference between the fresher weather and the hot and humid weather is marked by that line of showers and thunderstorms, which will be moving their way gradually eastwards, dying away as we go through the night and never quite reaching the southeast. So another hot and sticky night here, but it should be a bit more comfortable for sleeping elsewhere in the UK. I think we'll see one or two showers that set off towards the southeastern corner tomorrow morning, but then even these should tend to move away. And although there'll be a few showers coming in towards the northwest, I think for many of us we'll start the week on a fine and dry note with some pleasant spells of sunshine, and it shouldn't feel quite so humid, although it'll still be quite warm for many of us. Now, the winds out towards the west and over the sea will start to freshen a bit, I think, as we go through Wednesday into Tuesday. That's ahead of an approaching weather system, which is going to be pushing in from the Atlantic, bringing with it a fair bit of cloud and some outbreaks of rain. Now, it looks like most of the rain is going to be affecting Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. For the rest of us, it should be a dry day on Tuesday, although there'll be a bit of cloud around out towards the west, perhaps some sea mist and fog. For many inland, another glorious day with lots of sunshine and feeling pleasantly warm. Now, by the time we get to Wednesday, we're sandwiched in between these weather fronts, and I think most of the rain will actually be across the north and the northwest of the UK. For many, it is looking fine and dry, quite a bit of sunshine coming through, and those temperatures just beginning to creep up again. So I think we'll be up into the mid to high 20s. And you'll notice this blue here. I think there's a risk of one or two showers just skirting close to the southeast late on Wednesday into Thursday, but it is just a risk at this stage, and it'll be something we'll be watching. But you'll notice those temperatures will continue to rise during Thursday, so we'll be approaching 30 degrees once again,